because we're the good guys.
Even Batman breaks the rules.
You know I struggle with Batman.
I say this one time, instead of wimping out, let's be memory calendars and that every panelist gets a free slice of pie.
I didn't even get to that part.
Look, even your friend Will Wheaton thinks this is a waste of time.
Not.
Same way I know that the people on the TV set can't see me.
Just tell me, you have to make your own convention.
I don't know if this beats
there
it.
was a time when Comic-Con didn't exist.
I think so, but whatever.
Until one lone dreamer with a unique vision made.
The Millers, CBS Thursdays, after the Big Bang Theory.
When my father was taken with Alzheimer's, I learned firsthand how devastating this disease can be, not only for the patient, but for the entire family. I also learned how important research and funding are. If we're going to put an end to...
Okay.
What number tonight are you?
Creepy and no stalking this poor guy. You're gonna get in trouble.
You're the ones who are going to get in trouble. You're buying non-transferable tickets, and I'm a stranger no less. Not only do you get banned from Comic-Con, if caught, you can be charged with petty theft. You think about that while I'm warning James Earl Jones about the danger of posting his...
Marlon Brando's show. Wake up! And Angie Dickinson is about to sick the dogs on us, and I go under the water and Marlon